Hi everyone, welcome to the session. So today we are going to start a new topic of abstract reasoning, that is analogies. Okay, let's begin. Yes, good afternoon Vaibhav. Welcome to the session. Alright, so before I start with the session, let me just tell you a bit about myself. My name is Aishwarya and I have done my Masters in Maths from University of Delhi. Prior to that, I did my graduation in Mathematics from Miranda House, University of Delhi. I have more than 4 years of training experience and I have trained for various exams like CAT, GRE and GMAT earlier. Okay, now yes, hello Sneha, hello Abhishek. Yeah, so at Unacademy, we provide you two kinds of subscriptions, that is plus subscription and iconic subscription. So if you go for the plus subscription, you will have access to the classes from India's top educators. All the classes are live and interactive. You can get the doubts clarified within the class itself. You will be given the notes after the end of each and every lecture. You will have access to the live mock test and quizzes on the platform, right? So along with all this, we have iconic subscription. In iconic subscription, all the benefits of plus will be there. Along with that, you will get personal attention from your educator. OMET's preparation will be inclusive and test analysis of each and every mock test that you give on the platform will be shared with you. Okay. Now these are the prices of our CAT plus subscription. So for 12 months, the price is 17,500 and for 24 months, this price is 21,000. So over this fees, you can get 10% off if you use the code AAISH10. Okay. Now the price of iconic subscription for 12 months is 30,000 and for 24 months this price is 41,000. So here also you guys can get 10% off if you use the code AAISH10. Alright. Okay, let's begin with analogies. Yes, can you guys comment a hi in the chat box? Let me know who all are attending. Yes, hello Rahul, Sujit, Abhishek. Okay. Yes, Vaibhav, I have... yeah, the screen was not visible earlier. Now I think this screen is visible to you guys. Okay. Alright then, let's begin with analogies. Yes, good afternoon to everyone. Let's begin now. So first of all, let us understand what type of questions come under analogies. Okay. So analogy is a comparison of two things to show their similarities. Okay. For example, if it is written that husband is to wife. This is a relationship given, husband-wife. Okay. Now, can this relationship be same as... I am going to take another relationship, that is brother or sister, or sister or brother-in-law. Okay. So as we can see that this relationship is of spouse. Likewise, this relationship is also of spouse. So therefore, these two are similar. They have a similarity, right? So therefore, these two are analogous to each other. So this is the meaning of analogy. Okay. So an analogy is a comparison of two things to show their similarity. It is a comparison made to show how two different things are similar. Now, two pair of figures may not be same, but they might follow a logical pattern and we need to find this pattern. Okay. So we need to find this pattern in the questions. Alright, let's see. Now, what could be this pattern? What could be the points of similarity in such questions? Okay. So it might be given that the figures are rotated either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, let's see how. So suppose if this is my figure, alright, so it is given that this is an element in the figure. And in the next figure, this element is rotated by 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. Okay. Now, if you have another figure, for example, if I have these boxes and I have this figure. Okay. So now I have an arrow. Can you find the figure which will be coming next? So from here I can clearly see that the figure is rotated 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. So therefore the figure that will come here will be this arrow. Okay. So likewise the figure could be rotated anti-clockwise or clockwise. Alright. Let's see what could be the next point of similarity. We can add or remove the elements from the figure. Okay. Let's see how. So for example, there is a triangle given. And in the next figure, I have a square. Okay. Now, in the question it is asked that I have a pentagon here. Which polygon will come in the next, in this space? Can you tell me which polygon will be there? Yes. Hi Ravina. Hi Saurabh, Shivank. Please solve this. Tell me which figure will be there. Correct. Right. So as you can clearly see that the number of sides are increased by 1. Right. So from triangle to square, likewise from pentagon to hexagon. So the figure that will come here will be this. Okay. Yes. Correct. Everyone has given the correct answer. Alright. Now what could happen is that size of figure might be changed. For example, if I have a triangle here, okay, and a circle is inside the triangle. Now, in the next figure, what happens is that I have a circle and triangle is inside. Okay. So now in the third figure, if it is given that there is a square and triangle is inside the square, can you tell me what will be the next figure? Yes, Pratyaj, for the mock test, you can log into the Unacademy Learning app. You will find a lot of mock tests there. Okay. Alright, yes, please tell me what will be the figure here. So since now here you can see the size of the figures is changed. The circle has become larger and the triangle has become smaller. So likewise the outer figure, that is the square here, will become smaller and the inner figure, that is triangle, will become larger. So this will be the figure. Yes, correct Saurabh. Square within the triangle. Rituja, your answer is also correct. Deepika, correct. Okay, I hope this is clear. Let's see what is rearrangement or replacement of figures. Okay, so suppose if I have a triangle here, a square here, plus here and a cross sign here. In the next figure, I have cross here, triangle here, square here and plus sign is at the same position. Okay. Okay, so now I have the third figure given to me. This is A, B, C, D. Find the figure which is analogous to this figure. Okay. Yeah. So you guys can tell me the answer in this pattern, this way. So if this is the box, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to say that this is the arrangement, just type 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So like this. Tell me the pattern for A, B, C, D in the next figure. Okay, let's see. So see, we can clearly see that triangle has moved from first position to this fourth position. So A will be moved from here to this position. Okay, now this square has moved to this position. So B will come here. Okay, likewise, this cross has moved from this position to this position. So therefore D will be here and C will retain its position. Okay, so if I write it in the pattern 1, 2, 3, 4 this way, so the correct answer will be B, D, C, A. Alright? Yes, correct. B, D, C, A is the correct answer. Okay, so I hope this is clear that what are the different points of similarity in such questions. Okay, so now we are going to move towards the questions. Before solving the questions, let's just understand what could be the different possibilities, different patterns for the questions. Okay, now the first type is that this is given to you. The problem figure might be given to you. Okay, A and B, certain relationship is there. And you have to find which of these pairs exhibit the similar relationship as A or B. So one among these will be correct. So if CD is correct, these two will be wrong. Okay. Third figure won't be given. You have to find a similar pair. So this is finding a similar pair. Alright. I hope this is clear. Now the second type of question is when two figures are given, third one is missing and fourth is given. Okay. So basically you have to work in reverse order here. Okay. So what we did till now was that figure A was given and we saw what were the changes made in figure 1, figure A to get figure B. So likewise in this question I'll see what changes are made in figure B to get figure A. Okay, so I'll just have to work in the reverse order. Method would be exactly same. Otherwise the third type of question pattern is A and B is given, third figure is given and we need to find the fourth one. Okay, so these are the different types of questions that come under this section. Alright, okay, let's start with the question part now. So here is the first question on your screen. Please try to solve this one. Okay, since this is the first question, let us do this question together. Okay, so choose the pair of figures which best expresses the relationship similar to that expressed in figures given. Alright, so this pair represents certain relationship. I have to find the pair which exhibits the similar relationship as this one. Okay, let's see how will we solve this one. So if you look at figure 1 and figure 2, I can clearly see that the Z has gone inside the circle. Okay, so I have a circle, the Z is inside the circle. So the first figure is inside second figure. It is inside second figure. Alright. Let's see which option is matching. So is this no? Because this here is plus and here I have got a cross. So this is eliminated. Let's see this one. Yeah, so this could be my possible answer. Okay, so let us keep this one on hold. Circle is there. Here we have a rhombus. Eliminated. Okay, this is a completely different figure. Eliminated. Okay. Here, see, the diagonal, this line is this way, okay, but here the orientation of the line is different, so therefore this can't be the answer. Hence, the correct answer to this question will be option B. The first figure is inside the second figure. Correct. Yes, all of you have given the correct answers. Yes, Saurabh and Rituja, is this question clear? Vikram, is the question clear to you? Alright, okay, alright, now let us move on to the next question. This is question number 2. Please try to solve this one. Look at this figure, understand both the figures, then see which is the similar relationship. Yes, please answer quickly. Yes, correct. So by looking at this figure, I can clearly see that the right half of the figure is removed. Okay, right half of figure first is removed. What else is done? If you see, the shade is in the opposite direction. Okay, so the shaded region becomes unshaded and the unshaded region becomes shaded. Right? The top portion is white now and the bottom portion that was white is black now. Alright, let's see which option is exhibiting the similar relationship. So here, if I remove the second half, I'll not get this one. In this figure, if I remove the right hand side, I will surely get this one, and obviously the shades are also different. So this is a possible answer. Okay, so hence my correct answer will be option B. Okay, now there is no need to check the other options because in CT you will have only one answer correct. Okay, yes, Deepika, you have answered C. Let's see why is C not the answer, because see, this triangle is not complete here. Okay, so this needs to be extended. Alright, I hope this is clear to you. Hi Sona, welcome to the session. Okay, alright, let us move on to the next question now. Here is question number 3. Please try this one. Yes, Bhushan, definitely it is possible. So this is possible only if you practice a lot of questions, because as you see, there are no formulas, there is no concept involved. Okay, you just need to have good visualization power. Okay, and this will come only with practicing. The more number of questions you will practice of abstract reasoning, the better you will get. Okay. And if you see, because right now we are just starting with this topic, in the previous lectures we did completion of series. So by the end, towards the end of the lectures, we were able to solve the question in just 30 seconds. So make sure that you do not spend more than 30 to 40 seconds on any question of abstract. Alright. Okay. Alright. So we are getting multiple answers. Some of you are saying A, some are saying C. Let's see which one is correct. Now see, we have these T's here. Okay. So from here to here, we can clearly see that the rotation is done 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay. So the rotation is done 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So all the figures are correct, right? All the figures are rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So I cannot eliminate on the basis of this. Okay. Yes, Vaibhav, I can share the PDF of all the sessions on the Telegram group. You just need to post a message there. I'll definitely share the PDFs. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see. So now from here I can see that if I mark these triangles, mark these T's as 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So the first position, the first T goes to the third position here. Right. And the second T goes to the first position and the third T goes to the second position. Right. Okay. Now let's see what happens here. If you look, because you guys have answered option A, let's see if option A is correct. So if I take this as 1, this as 2, this as 3. Okay. So this 1 will move to the third position. Right. 2 should move to the first position and 3 should move to the second position. Right. So first one has moved to the third position, correct. Second one has moved to the first one. Third one has moved to the second position, right? So this could be my possible answers. Let us check for option C also. So in option C, I can see that second one has moved to the third position, right? Which is not possible. So therefore, our answer won't be option C. Okay. So the correct answer to this question will be option A. Alright. I hope this is clear. So some of you have answered D also. Let's see why is D wrong. So this one, the first one is moving to the first position only. So there is no change in position. So therefore this is not the possible answer. Alright. Okay, let's move on to the next question now. Question number 4. Please try this one. Okay, in the previous one. Second one has moved to the first position. Yeah, if I take these as 1, 2, 3. So then first one is moved to the third position. Second one has moved to the first position. And the third one has moved to the second position. Correct? Yes, this could also be the possible answer. Okay, let us stay on this question then. Okay, yeah, so can I eliminate any other option on the basis of this? Therefore, this, what I have done here is that this arrangement that we have taken is wrong. We have to look at this question in some other way, right? Because if you see, then according to this, option A and option C both are correct, but this is not possible. So think about some other way in which these two figures are related. Yes, think about it. Yes, Rachna, Sneha, Janet, Jui, Deepika, Pratyaj, Vikram, Vanshika, Shiva, please try this. Ravina, think about this one. Okay, let's see. So see here what happens is, let us understand this pattern now. Okay, so if I have 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so one position is shifted to the third one. Third position is shifted to the second position. And second position is shifted to the first position. So do you see the pattern here? That these numbers are shifting anti-clockwise. Right, the numbers are getting shifted anti-clockwise. So again, from here also the number should shift anti-clockwise. So this 3 will go to 2. Okay, and this 2 will go to 1. Sorry, this 1 will go to 3. Okay, and 2 will go to 1. Right, now on the basis of this, can you find which is the correct answer? Alright, so from here I have that 1 should go to 2, 2 should go to 3 and 3 should go to 1. Right? If I follow this pattern. So let's see. So if the numbers, if the, these T's are 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Then from here, from the first position, this is going to the second position. Then from second position, this is going to the third position. And from the third position, this is going to the first position. So therefore, correct answer will be option E. Yes, is this question clear? So the change in this question is that the first figure is rotated 90-degree anti-clockwise and the position of the T's is also rotated anti-clockwise. Okay. Yes, guys, please give me a thumbs up if this question is clear to all here. Yeah, is this question okay, clear? Let's move on to the next one. This is question number 4. Please try this one. So consider one element at a time. So if you look at this, we have this symbol and this. Okay. Yes, Pratyaj, I'll return to that question. We'll discuss that question again. Question number 3. Please solve this one first. Then we'll start with that question afresh later. Okay. Also guys, all the questions that we are discussing in today's class are from previous year question papers of CET only. Okay, so all these questions have already come in CET once. Okay, again multiple answers. All right. Okay. Alright, so we are getting multiple answers here. Some of you are saying B and some are D. Let's see which is correct. So if you look at this figure, okay, I can see that the top element and the bottom element is interchanging the position. Right? So the top element comes at the bottom position. Okay, and the bottom element goes to the top position without changing the orientation or any direction. Okay, let's see option B. So in option B we have a triangle here and this will go to the bottom triangle. Correct. Now in the bottom we have this here. Okay, but when this goes in the top position, this should be like this. Okay, but in the figure this is facing downwards. So therefore this can't be the answer. Alright. So therefore option B is not right. Option D is the correct answer here. Why? Because this triangle goes to the bottom position and this arc, the C, goes to the top position without changing its orientation. Alright. I hope this question is clear. Option D is the right answer here. Okay, alright, let us move on to the next question now. Question number 5. Please try this one. You have 30 seconds to answer. Okay, try this question and if you need a hint, let me know. Okay. Yes, any answer yet? Okay, let's see. So if you look at these two figures, figure 1 and figure 2, okay, so there are 4 arcs given. There are 4 arcs in the figure. Alright, so if I take, let us take, mark these arcs as 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first arc is getting inverted. Okay, so the first arc, so it is in this direction, so this is getting inverted to this one. What about the second arc? Not getting inverted. Okay, no change in second arc. Alright, let's see the third arc. So this third arc is also getting inverted, right? Inverted. Let's see the fourth arc, this one. So this arc is not getting inverted, same direction. Okay, so it means that arc 1 and arc 4 exhibit no change. There is change in only arc 1 and arc 3. So here also I'll take the arcs as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the arc 2 and 4 there should be no change. So let's see which is possible. Let's see option A. So in option A there is change in arc 4, right? So I can eliminate this one. Let's see this one. So in this one there is no change in second and fourth. So therefore this could be one of the possible answers. Let's hold on to this one and check for arc 1 and 2. So arc 1 and 2 should definitely be inverted. But here arc 1 is not getting inverted. Okay, so I will write arc 1 not inverted. Okay, so therefore this option is also eliminated. Let's see option C. Now in option C, arc 1 is inverted, arc 3 is also inverted, correct. Arc 2 is not inverted and 4 is not inverted, correct. So therefore the answer will be option C. Okay, because in option C it is following the same pattern. Okay, yeah, is this question clear? Yes, Shruti, Surbhi, Tushar, Sujit, your answers were right. Okay, those who answered B, D and E, is this question clear? So whenever in any analogy question or in any series question, if you get arcs, always mark the arcs and see if the arcs are getting inverted or if there is no change. Alright, I hope this is clear. Yes, guys, please give me a thumbs up if this is clear to everyone here, this question. Okay, okay, Roshni, I'll explain this again. Okay, just. Yeah, so Roshni, can you tell me how many arcs are there in the figure? In figure 1 and figure 2. How many arcs are there? Okay, so there are 4 arcs here. So I am going to mark the arcs as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let us consider the arc 1. If I consider arc 1, so this arc is getting inverted, the direction is getting changed. In the first figure this is like this, in the second figure it is like this. Okay, so some change is there. Likewise, let us see arc 3. So arc 3 is in this direction in figure 1 and in this direction in the second figure. Therefore, change is happening. This is getting inverted. Let's see the arc 2. The second arc, both the arcs are like this. No change. Okay, likewise in arc 4, both the arcs are like this. No change. Okay, so basically I have to look for the option in which arc 1 and arc 3 are getting changed, but arc 2 and 4 are not changed. Okay, so that is why only option C is satisfying this condition, hence C is the answer. Yes, Narshima, you are saying E is also same. Let us see. So if I take the arcs as 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so according to this, arc 2 and arc 3, arc 2 and arc 4 should not change. Okay, so this is not changed. Okay, not changed. What about A, 1 and 3? 1 and 3 should change. Yeah, so 1 is changed, but arc 3 is not changed here. Okay, here arc 3 is like this, and here also like this, not changed. Alright, yes, Narshima, I hope this is clear to you also. Let us continue with the next question. Question number 6. Please solve this one. Okay. Alright, let's see. So we have two figures here. In both the figures there are two elements. The top element, this L, and the bottom element, this figure. Okay, let's see. So let us consider the top element first. So this, in the first figure, this is in this direction, this way. And in the second figure, this has changed to this one. So from here to here, what are the changes that are made? So first of all, I have to rotate it by 90 degrees. So if I rotate this figure by 90 degrees, I will get this. Okay. So from here to here, how will I get? This is the mirror image. Okay. So if you keep this L in front of a mirror, you will get this. Right. So therefore, for the top lines, the top figure, this is rotated 90 degrees and then mirror image. Its mirror image is given. Alright, let's see what happens to the bottom figure. Now in the bottom figure, it is clear that this is simply rotated. So from here, this is this. So therefore simply rotated by 90 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. Rotated 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Alright, I hope this is clear. Now let us find which option satisfied. Yes, so all of you have given the answer as B. Let's see. So in the figure B, if I rotate the top one by 90 degrees, I will get this and then mirror image. Correct. First one is satisfied. Let's see the second one. So this is rotated 90 degrees. Correct. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. So let us discuss for option E also. Okay. So option E the top figure is this. Right, if I rotate it by 90 degrees, I'll get this and its mirror image will be this. So the top position is getting satisfied. Great. Let's see the next one. Bottom position. So the bottom figure, if I rotate this in anti-clockwise direction, so I will get something like this. Okay, but in the given figure, in the given option, it is in this direction, hence not matching. Therefore, option E is not the right answer. Alright. Yes, Pratyaj, is this clear to you? Okay. Alright. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 7. Yes, please try. again we have two elements, triangle and this semicircle. Consider the positions of triangle and semicircle. Understand the pattern here. Okay, so we did a similar question earlier also. Okay, so alright, so we are getting multiple answers, C and D. Let's see which one is correct. Okay, B also. Okay, there is one B also. Let's see. So if you look at these two figures, okay, so I can see that the figure is getting inverted 90 degrees in the clockwise direction, but in all the options the figure is rotated 90 degrees. Okay, so I cannot eliminate on this basis. Now I know that these two figures, we have this and another this. Okay, so the triangle and semicircle are interchanging the position. Okay, so the top and bottom are interchanged in figure 2. Alright, so let's see. Now they are interchanged without changing their direction or without changing their orientation. So like this triangle is pointing in the up in the top direction, so here also this will point in the right direction if rotated clockwise 90 degrees. Okay, so let's see for option C. Okay, some of you have answered option C. So in option C, if you look at the figure, so triangle is definitely pointing in the same direction, but the position of the semicircle is changed. Okay, so therefore this can't be the answer. Let's see for option D. Now in option D, we have this arc moved to the bottom direction and the orientation is correct. And semicircle is also in the correct orientation. Therefore, correct answer will be option D. Option D is the correct answer here. Okay. Yeah, so you guys have also answered option B. Let's see how can I eliminate option B. Now in option B, the position of D is again, the orientation is changed. So I cannot take this. Alright. Hence the correct answer will be option D only. Okay. Let's move on. Question number 8. Please solve this one. Yes, hi Ishan. The exam is supposed to happen in the second week of May. Alright. Okay, again we are getting multiple answers. D and C. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. So from here I can clearly see that the arrows are rotating 90 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so rotation is definitely done 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay, so this is clear. But this is happening in all the all the 5 options. So can't eliminate on this basis. Let's see the position of the arrows again. So I have 1, 2, 3, and again I have here also. Let's take the positions as 1, 2, 3. So the 1 moves to the second position, and the second arrow moves to the third position, and the third arrow moves to the first position. So okay, please see this. Which one will be the correct answer? Okay, so this pattern that the first one is taking the second position and the second one is taking the third position. Okay, but here the second one is not taking the third position. Okay, this is taking the first position. So therefore this can't be the answer, option C. Yeah, please check your answers. Try to solve this again. So let's see for option A. So in option A, if I take the positions as 1, 2, 3, here also 1, 2, 3. So this one is moving to the second one. One is moving to second, correct. Second one is moving to third, correct. And the third one is moving to the first one. Alright. So therefore option A is the correct answer. Yes. Yeah, Narshima, your answer was right. Very good. Okay. Yeah, is this question clear? Okay, Pranay, you want me to explain the arrangement again? Alright, let's see. So if I take these positions as 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, vertically and horizontally. Let us take this as 1, 2 and 3. This is also 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Okay. So let's see for the first arrow. So the first arrow moves to the second position. The second arrow, which is the smallest arrow, moves to the first position. Yes, so from here I have that the second arrow moves to the first position. Sorry, this was wrong. Second arrow moves to the first position and the third arrow moves to the third position. It is in the same position. Okay, so we have to check for this pattern, not this one. Correct. Let's see which option is matching the correct answer here. So let's see if it is C, because you guys answered C earlier. You guys might be correct here. So 1 moved to the second position. This is correct. And the middle one, that is second one, moved to the first position and third was at third. Yes, this is correct. Option C will be the correct answer. Fine. Okay. Yes. Is there any difficulty in this question? Any doubt? So some of you are getting option D also. Let's see this one. So if I take these positions as 1, 2 and 3, let's see if this is matching. So 1 is moved to the first position. Okay. Then the middle one, second one is moved to the third position. So this is not matching this pattern. So therefore option C is the correct answer here. Okay. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Question number 9. Yes, please try to solve. Okay, this is not clear to you. Okay, I'll just zoom this one if needed. Yes. Swati, you can take the screenshot of this one. Okay, please take the screenshot, then I'll show you the E option also. Okay, and here is option E. Okay, let's see. Okay. So from here I can see that the pattern that is followed in figure 1 and figure 2 is that, okay, so the first two symbols, cross and X and S, are interchanging their position, right? So the first two symbols are interchanging the position. Also, if you see the last two symbols, so the last two symbols interchange and the last symbol is replaced by a new symbol. So the last symbol is replaced by a new symbol. Alright, let's see which option is following this pattern. Okay, so most of you have answered option option E. Let's check for option E. So O and X have changed their positions, right? So therefore this is correct. Let's see the next two. So the triangle and this rectangle also changed the position, and in the bottom a new sign is added. Okay, so therefore option E is the correct answer. Yes, so are you guys getting any other answer? Some of you have answered option A also. Let us discuss option A. So the top two positions are getting interchanged. This is getting satisfied. But here the last two positions are getting interchanged, but the last position is not being replaced by a new symbol. Okay, so therefore answer of question number 9 is E. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 10. Yes, please answer. Okay, let's see this one. So if you look at figure 1 and figure 2, we can clearly see that the first figure is cut in middle. So I am going to cut this figure and we have selected the right half. Okay, so the right half is selected and the shading is interchanged. So the shaded area becomes unshaded and the unshaded area becomes shaded. Alright. Now let's see for option A. Now in option A, the right half is taken and the shading is interchanged. Okay, correct. This is a possibility. Let's see option B. Now here the right half is not taken, so eliminated. In option C, right half is not taken, left half is taken, so eliminated. Here this is not the half, eliminated. Here the right half is taken but the shading is not interchanged, so therefore this is also eliminated. Hence the correct answer will be option A. Okay. Yes, I hope this is clear to you. Yes, Sujit, you want 9D again. Okay. 9th D. Okay, let's see. So here in the first two figures, they are not interchanged. Okay, we had a triangle here. So if we had triangle here, this could be the answer. But since there is not a triangle here, this is eliminated. Okay. Yes, Sujit, I hope your doubt is clear. Yes, should we move on to the next question now? In question, it seems left half is taken. How can be the left half taken? Let's see. Okay, so this is my figure here. In the first figure, we have something like this, and this portion is shaded. Now, if I cut this figure into two parts like this, okay, then the right half will be like this. Okay, so we are getting a figure which is the right half, that this side is straight, right? Okay, let's see the next question, question number 11. Yeah, please try this one. Okay, let us consider this one. So there are two elements, this P, okay, this element, and other element is this one. Okay, let's just consider the second element first. So if I consider this P, so if I look at the figure 1, this is what I have. What is the mirror image of this thing? Mirror image will be this. Okay, so the second element are the mirror images. Okay, so let's see, let us eliminate the options on the basis of this information. So are these two mirror images? Mirror image of this will be this. Sorry, we are looking for the horizontal image here. Yes. Right. So if I have this, this is not the mirror image. Hence, this is eliminated. Alright. Okay. Let's see for option B also. So in option B also, if I have to invert this figure, so I will not get this figure. Right. Yes. Is this correct? What is the mirror image? Is the second element the correct mirror image in option B? Yes, please answer. Okay. Alright. So basically the second element is vertically inverted. Yes, so some of you are saying C is the answer. C is not the answer. Why? Because if you see, this is not the inversion, because P is, okay, so the circle of P is in the same direction both the sides, and here it is in different directions. So there, this is eliminated, definitely. Okay. Yes, now please think about this one. Yes, Roshni, I'll definitely explain you that question again. Let's just finish this one first. Okay, so in all the three options, the second element is vertically inverted. So this is clear. Okay, I cannot eliminate other options. A and C are eliminated definitely. Now let's see the first one. So first element has changed from this to this. Okay, so now this is clear that this, since I have an arrow here, it means this arrow is definitely vertically inverted. Okay, so if I invert this vertically, I will get something like this. Okay, and this smaller line is rotated by 180 degrees. This line is rotated by 180 degrees in this direction. Okay, so let's just check for option B. Let us vertically invert this. So if I invert this, I will get this figure. Okay, and now I have to rotate the small line of the arrow by 180 degrees. So I will get something like this. But this is not matching the figure second. Therefore, this is also eliminated. Okay, let's see for option D. So in option D, the first element is vertically inverted. So inverting this vertically, I will get this. Okay, and if now I have inverted this. Now if I rotate this by 180 degrees, so I will get this. Okay, I'll get this figure, which is not matching again. So therefore the correct answer will be option E here. Alright, I hope this is clear. Okay, let's move on to this question. Question number 12. Yes, please solve. Okay, yes, Vikram, Swati, I'll come back to question number 11 again. So we have 3 questions to solve again. I'll come back to those questions, sure. Okay, let us do this one here. Question number 12 first. Okay, so if you look at these figures, both the figures, so from this one, I have a figure like this. So I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Okay, so let us rotate 90 degrees in which direction? This is so this is rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, so if I rotate the first figure 90 degrees clockwise, I'll get this. Okay, then upon rotating this 90 degree clockwise, I'll get something like this. Right? This is what I get. Now this, if I compare this one to the second figure, this is the mirror image, right? And then we place the mirror image. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Yes, Swati, I'll explain question number 11 again. I'll come back to that question. Okay, so according to this, let's see if these options are correct. So I have this. If I rotate this 90 degrees clockwise, so this will be equal to this. Okay, and mirror image will be this. Hence, not possible. Let's see this option. So in this option, we have this. Rotating it 90-degree clockwise. So this will give me this figure. Okay, which is same as this, but we need the mirror image. Hence, option B is also eliminated. Okay, let's see option C. So we have this. If I rotate this 90 degrees in the clockwise direction, so I'll get something like this. Right? And mirror image of this will be not this, because this is exactly same. Hence, option C is also eliminated. Okay, let's see option D. Yes, which option is matching for question number 12? Let's see this one. So we have this. Now this is rotated 90-degree clockwise. So 90-degree clockwise will be this. No mirror image here. So therefore this option is also eliminated. Hence the correct answer will be option E. Yes. Yes, all of you have given the correct answer. Option E is the correct one here. Okay. Let's just check it. So if I rotate this 90-degree anti-clockwise, 90-degree clockwise, I'll get this. And mirror image of this will be this. Hence it is matching. Hence option E is the correct answer here. Okay. Alright. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 13. Please solve this one. Okay, mirror image, how it changes. Okay, let us take a triangle. Okay, let us put a mirror here. What will be the figure in the mirror? I'll get the same triangle. Okay, now if I take a S and put a mirror in front of it, okay, what will be the mirror image? This, right? So basically you have to invert the figure this way. Okay, for example, if I have L and put a mirror in front of it, I'll get this way. Okay, so I hope the concept of mirror image is clear. So Shruti. Okay, let's discuss question number 13. So let us pick up one element. This one, let us take this triangle. So this triangle goes up and gets inverted, right? So this was the triangle, now it is this. So the triangle goes up and gets inverted. Likewise in this we have this pentagon. So this pentagon will go up and get inverted. So inverted pentagon means this. So let's see which options can I eliminate. A is eliminated and E is eliminated. Okay, let's see the another figure. Yes. Okay, let's see another one. I can take the square. So this is square. So what happens to the square in the next one? So now these two are already sorted. Think about the square. What happens to the square here? Okay, now see, this figure cannot be the square, right? And this also can't be the square. So therefore square comes down and the side is increased by 1. So it becomes a pentagon. Likewise, we have a triangle here, right? So the triangle will also come down and its side will increase by a 1. So therefore this triangle will become a square. Okay, let's see which option is satisfying this. So do we have, yeah, this is eliminated. This is a triangle. So hence this is also eliminated. Here we have A pentagon, a triangle won't become a pentagon. Therefore, this is also eliminated. Okay. Now, I just said that the triangle will become a square. Means a triangle will become a four-sided figure. So, this could be a rhombus also. Okay. So, hence option B is the correct answer here. Alright. I hope this is clear. Yes, Saurabh. Correct. Square becomes the pentagon. Goes down, increases one side. Correct. Okay. Alright. Let's do the next question. Question number 14. Please try this question. Okay. Yes, A is the correct answer. So from here I can see that these two L, the L's are getting inverted. Okay. And the bigger L's are also getting inverted. And the top, since they are at the top left corner, this moves towards the bottom right corner. Okay. So the same thing will happen with this figure. Okay. So let's see. So the first L is getting inverted this way. So therefore this L will be like this. Okay. Mirror image. Correct. Mirror image, Vikram. Correct. So therefore this L is shifted this side. So therefore this figure will be shifted in this manner. Okay. So if you see, this is the mirror image. Hence option A is the correct answer. Alright. Okay. Let's just move to the questions that... in the questions that we had doubt earlier. Alright, so let's see question number 11. Okay, let us solve this question again. Let's see if there is any confusion here. Okay. Let us do this question now. Now see, in this question what is happening? There are two elements. First element and the second element. Okay. So in this, the second element is getting vertically inverted. Okay. And the first element is vertically inverted and the half arrow, this portion, the half arrow is rotated 180 degrees clockwise. Alright. Okay. So this is the change that is happening in both the elements. Now please start this question afresh and tell me what will be the correct answer. Okay, it is not a 180-degree rotation. Let's check. I may be wrong. Let's see this one. Okay, so the second element is definitely getting vertically inverted. This is clear. So what happens is that I had a P in this manner. Okay, and I inverted this and got this. Okay, now let's do it for this one. So I have a figure like this. Okay, if I have to invert it vertically, so I will get this. Okay, now this is small arrow. If you look at the resulting figure, I have to change this to this. So it means that this small arrow is changing 180 degrees, rotating 180 degrees in the clockwise direction. Yes, Tushar, is this clear? The change in the first element. Yes, Swati, Vikram, Pratyaj, is this question clear? Is this question clear? The changes in both the elements. Okay, you are saying 90 degrees anti-clockwise. Let's see. So this is my figure. If I see, the inverted figure is this. If I move this 90 degree anti-clockwise, so this will come here, right? Which is not same as the resulting figure. Yes, Rashni, I'll go back to question 13 also. Okay. Yes, is this clear now, the inversions? Yes, guys, please let me know if this is okay. Yeah, Tushar, is this doubt clear? Yeah, straight line remains as it is. Only the half arrow is rotated 180 degrees clockwise. Okay, so think about this. Try to find out which is the answer. You can take a screenshot of this question. Note down the changes in the elements. Okay. Now I'll discuss this question again in the previous year questions class. Yes, think about it. Note both the elements. Note the changes in both the elements that I have written on screen. Okay, take a note of this and see which option is matching it. Alright. Okay, so please do this as a homework exercise. Try to figure this out. Okay, otherwise I'll send a detailed explanation in the Telegram group also, and I'll discuss this question again in the previous year question class. Okay. Yes, Ajit, please think about this. Try this again. Try to make the changes in each element for each option. Okay. I'll definitely discuss this question again. Now, which question to discuss again? Question number 13. Okay. So, in question number 13, what is happening? Let us pick up one element. So, let's just pick up this triangle. Now, this triangle is moved to the top position and it is inverted. Okay. So, the triangle, this position, right? So, like in this figure, we have this pentagon. So, this pentagon will move upward and will get inverted. Okay. So, therefore, on the basis of this, I can eliminate. Option A is eliminated because I don't have the pentagon here. Okay. Likewise, I can eliminate option E also because pentagon is not there. Okay, let's just pick up other element, the square. So what happens to the square is that it goes to the bottom position and the sides are increased by 1. Side is increased by 1. So this is a square, this will become a pentagon. Okay, now in this case we have a triangle. So the same thing will happen with the triangle. So this will become a quadrilateral. Let's see. So this is happening only in option B. Therefore, option B is the correct answer here. Yes, Swati, is this question clear? You asked about question number 13 earlier. Yes, Roshni, inverted image means, see, vertically inverted means water image, right? This way. If you look at this P, this is the water image. So vertically inverted means water image. Mirror image is horizontally inverted. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I'll share the detailed explanation of this question number 11 on the Telegram group also. Also, I'm going to discuss this question again in the previous year question class. Alright. Till then, you guys also think about this, that what could be the possible arrangement in which these elements are changed. Alright. Okay. Let's do one more question. Question number 15. Okay, take this question as the homework question. Please solve this one and share the answers on the Telegram group. Alright. Yes. Please take a screenshot of this question. Question number 15. Yes, please let me know once you are done. Just type a yes or okay in the chat box when you have noted this question. Yes, have you noted this one? Okay, alright. So this was the last question of today's class. The next class on analogies will happen on next Tuesday at the same time, 2 p.m. Alright, so please make sure that you attend this class. Also, if you have any doubt in any of the questions that we discussed today, we'll definitely discuss it in this class. Alright, okay. Let's move on. Yeah. So now I'm going to give you some information about the students who have scored more than 99 percentile in CAT 2020. So all of them have more than 99 percentile and they were from the Iconic subscription. Alright. So guys, you can also go for the subscription as soon as possible using the code AAISH10. Okay, so if you'll use the code, you'll definitely get the 10% off the course fee also. Okay, now this is the information about the batches that are going to start. So from 14th of April, we started a new batch, and from 17th and 21st of April, 2 new batches are going to start on the platform. Okay. Now on Sunday, this Unacademy Combat weekly scholarship test will be conducted at 12 p.m. To register for the test, you can use the code AAISH10. Please make sure that you attend this test. You attempt this test. This will be a good practice exercise for you also. And if you get a good score, you'll definitely get a good scholarship, right? So the duration of this test will be of 60 minutes. Syllabus is same as that of CAT. Okay. Yes. Yes, Sujit, you too. Take care. Stay safe. All right. Yeah, so this is the Ask a Doubt feature of the Unacademy Learning app. You just have to take the picture of the question you want the solution for, submit it on our platform, then our educators will solve the question and share the detailed explanation with you. Okay. Now, the steps to take the subscription are pretty easy. Just write Unacademy on Google Play Store and install the Unacademy Learning app. As soon as you do this, select CAT as your goal and click on Get Subscription. As you click on Get Subscription, you just have to select the subscription, Please remember to use the code AAISH10 there. This will also help you to unlock the free mock test and quizzes on the platform. Okay, so on the Unacademy Learning app, you can find a lot of free mock tests and quizzes which you can unlock using this. Also, you can unlock my special classes using this code. Okay. Alright, now this is the name of our YouTube channel, Unacademy CAT for MBA. I take classes for LRDI here daily at 6 p.m. and the classes of quantitative aptitude on Unacademy CAT at 8 p.m. This is the name of the Telegram channel. Please join the channel and there you will get a link. If you will click on the link, you will be able to send the messages to this channel also. Alright. So please make sure that you join this, and if you have any doubt in abstract reasoning, please feel free to share the questions on this channel. Alright. Thank you. Thank you guys for attending the session. I hope the session was useful for you. Keep practicing and come up with a lot of questions in the next class.